Hello everybody, it's me, Code Trucker Looter, signing in for another episode of the C Sharp Crash Course series. And here we are in a row with the C Sharp Crash Course series because I just finished to upload my increments and decrement operators video, and now I'm going to the next section, which is the while loop. So, introductions to loops. The while loop. The while loop has two important parts, okay? One, an expression that is tested for a true or false value, and second, a statement or block that is repeated as long as the expression is true. I'm going to show an image of how the while loop is executed or used. And now we are going to the Visual Studio, okay? So, console app, we're going for while loop demo. It's going to be also a very um, very minimalistic. Actually, it's going to be very short demonstration. So it's going to be like this, okay? Using system, of course. You know our how we roll here. Okay, a class program static void main. So here we're gonna do an integer number is equals to 0. Okay, while number is less than 5, console.writeLine. Hello. Okay. Number plus plus. Number plus plus there. That is all. Okay. We save and while loop. Hello. That is all. We can make this more modular as well. For example, we can say number, okay. And you see here it says it's an error because we haven't instantiated. So for example, we can do console.writeLine enter numbers value, do number equals convert to integer 32 here, then console.readline here. Okay, and we save and click. So let's see, we put number 2. Hello. That is all. Okay, let's do it again. Where's 3? Hello. That is all. When we go for number 5, it's gonna be that is all, because if number is less than 5, then we get that expression. But now because I put 5, we skip that argument, and we skipped over to the second argument, which is the default argument right here. Okay. If we put, for example, 0, we get 5. That's how the while works. Okay. While this number is less than this number, this will get executed. Else, this will get executed. For example, if I do this, I close. I save and then put 5. Hello, that is all. See, now I changed the argument here. If the number is less or equal than 5, then this can execute a number of times, which was 1. Remember when I did this with 5, it skipped over to this? Well, there you go. So thank you very much, guys. I'm gonna upload this as soon as I finish editing. And of course, click like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video, okay? Because I'm gonna step over to the next video right now, okay? Bye-bye.